Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant, and today I'm going to show you how to connect up and to listen to two pairs of Bluetooth headphones with your LG OLED TV. And along with that, I'm going to show you how you can listen to the sound from the TV and a set of headphones at the same time. Now this tutorial is for owners of 2021 and 2022 model LG OLED TVs. Now I'm going to first show you the quickest way to get to the menu that we need to get to first. And if you grab your magic remote and press down on the microphone button just there and say the following, Bluetooth speaker. And there we go, so we are at that menu. Now for those who've got the voice search deactivated on their TV, what you need to do is hold down on the settings button, go to sound, then to sound out, then use wireless speaker. Now once we're in here, we are going to go to these three dots just here and click on those. And we are now in the Bluetooth device page. And currently we've got speaker connection settings, one device. So for starters, we're going to simply connect one set of headphones. So I'm going to get my headphones and put those into pair mode. As we can see at the moment, the TV is searching. And there we go, it's found my AirPods Max. And if I was to click on the remote now and then highlight that, it says connecting. And there we go, AirPods Max is connected. Now let's next connect up a second pair of headphones. So what I've just done, I've actually disconnected from the AirPods Max because sometimes it can be a bit funny connecting up a second pair when it's already connected to a pair at a time. I'm going to press on the search button just down at the bottom there and put my headphones into their pairing mode. And there we go, it has found my AirPods Pro. So if I was to click on that now, they would connect up. And there we go, AirPods Pro is connected. And if we notice just up there, it says registered devices 2. But currently it says speaker connection settings, one device. Now if I wanted to listen to the AirPods Max instead of the AirPods Pro, all I'd simply do is click on AirPods Max and that would change the connection from the Pro to the Max. But what about if we want to listen to both at the same time? Well, we simply head up to speaker connection settings and then click from one device to two devices. And then all we do now is click on AirPods Max and then press on connect. And there we go, AirPods Max is connected. And if we back page, we can see AirPods Max connected and AirPods Pro connected. So both sets of headphones are now listening to the audio from the TV at the same time. Now let's take a look how we can listen to the audio from the TV speakers and a set of headphones at the same time. So what we're going to do is back out from this page, back out again, go down to use multiple speakers. And then we're going to go to Bluetooth device plus TV speakers, click on the dots, and now we're going to go to connect one speaker and then click on next. Now we can choose from one of these devices. Just want to set up one pair at the moment. So I'm going to go to the AirPods Max. And now I'm going to click on next. Then we're going to press start. Now it's going to run a little test. And now I'm going to just press on apply for now. Now because this is geared up towards speakers, what we're going to need to do is actually go back to the three dots and go to playback option. Currently it says surround effect because what it's basically doing is putting out sound to the headphones but thinking it's like a rear set of speakers. So I'm going to click on that and change it from surround effect to simultaneous sound out. And there we go. If my son can just confirm that with the headphones. Are we getting the audio out of the headphones and the TV at the same time? Yeah, so there we go. And of course, you can increase the volume for the Bluetooth headphones from here, and then you can adjust them as well on the headphones themselves. And there you have it then, guys. Now, do us a favor, if this video has helped you out, then spare me a second to just give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please do so for more of the same in the future. Now, don't forget, we've also got the brand new LG G2 OLED just landed, along with the much anticipated Samsung S95B OLED as well. So yeah, both of those TVs I'm going to be unboxing and showing on the channel very soon. So make sure you're subscribed for those. So thanks very much for joining me today and hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.